Hello, my name is Morten. I'm a senior support consultant here at ClickLearn, and today I'd like to talk a bit about how to set up your template so that all the recordings you make use a predefined set of introduction chapters, introduction notes, and finishing notes as well for all recordings. And in the second part of the video, I'll talk about how you can configure the use of metadata so that your recording properties are populated into the PowerPoint, the Word, the PDF, and the web page respectively. So let's start off by going into the recording template. In process instruction, I can define that all my new recordings should start with a chapter and a note and a subchapter. So let's see here. And I would like to have, let's copy this one out. I'd like to have after each end of each recording, I'd like to have a note, and I wanted to say, I want to say, thank you for learning. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. All right. So, I want to make a new recording. It will look like this. So, in my new recording, it now starts with an introduction, an objective, background information, and some steps. This is what I did. I clicked on the start menu, right? And then it will have my note in here. Thank you for learning. So that's how that works. It can provide for, like, if you have some typical introduction text that you want people to structure your recording so they all look the same, and you have some kind of sum up of the objectives or whatever you want to put there, you can put there. Multi-language is also supported, as you may have seen when we configured it, so that you can define it for each language that you use in your organization. Now, to talk a bit about the metadata. In the Word and the PowerPoint, you can define metadata. So let's start out by the Word. You can see I have defined the title for my company. I have defined that we can use the document ID. So let's go ahead and insert that. So we'll go to field, we'll go to document property and the document ID. Let's go find that. There we go. And then the author, let's go here. Let's say we want to put the author in there. Do the same for revision number down here. Furthermore, I have in the footer, I've included the topic, process, and author. So let's fill this out as well. I'll just go to insert again. There we go, field, document property, topic, process. Author. There we go. Up here I already have filled out the title. It's the same thing. I just call it title, and that is it. So let's go ahead and save this guy. There we go. Close that, and then let's do the PowerPoint. Here I've already pre-filled some of it. Here's the title, and here is the revision. Here is the document ID, and then I could have, let's see, I could put the author over here. So let's insert text box, and let's put the author down here or something. So M for metadata, and then the name, right? So let's seal author, and then the double hashes. There we go. And there we go. Like to make that color there. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and close this, and let's go ahead and upload them into our template here. So, which tags are being used, you may ask. Let's go and have a look at that. Once it's done loading here, it's just writing the template data, and here we go. So let's pick one, this one, right? I know I filled out this one. So if we go to properties, here's the title. Let's fill that out. This will be we are, and let's go to the document. Here you can see I pre-filled the field with the ID, process, topic, etc. The reason I did this was just so we can see what's what when it's populated into the document. So let's go ahead and close this, save it, and let's produce it and see what's happening here. All right, so let's first view the web view. Here we go. So what you'll first see is that suddenly down here we have our ID, author, and revision. This can also be changed using the template, of course, what you want to display here. You can display more or less items, whatever you want. So let's have a look at the Word file. So now you see you have the ID, the author, and here are the topic, process, author we put in there. So they're all automatically populated, as well as the title. Let's have a look at the PowerPoint. Also, revision, ID, and author, all filled out. You could argue that I could have arranged this a bit better, but you can always kind of consider how long your titles are going to be and how much font size you need for them to be able to fit on your screen. But that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope this was beneficial to you. And as always, if you have any questions, just contact us at support@clickrun.com, and have a great day.